In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly hide and unhide columns and rows in Excel. And if you'd like a copy of the file used in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so let's start off by having a look at how to hide a column. So all you need to do is select the column and then right click on it with your mouse and then click on Hide in the menu that pops up. And you can see there that column C has been hidden. To unhide it, what you need to do is just select column B with the left click on your mouse, hold it down, and then drag over to column D. So what we're doing is we're selecting the columns either side of the hidden column by dragging the mouse along. Okay, so if I let go of my button now, and then right click, and then click on Unhide, column C reappears. Okay, so that's how you can do one column. If you want to do multiple columns, all you need to do is drag the mouse across using left click, right click, and then hide. And likewise, if you want to unhide it, you simply drag the mouse across the columns to the left and the right click, and unhide. And you can also do columns that are not next to each other. So I could choose column B, hold down the control key, choose column D, choose column G, let go of the control key, right click, and then hide. Okay, so that's hidden all of those columns. Now, if I wanted to just unhide one of them, I could just select the columns to either side like that, and then unhide. But if I wanted to do all of them, I could just drag the mouse across so that I make sure I've got all of the columns selected. Once again, I could right click and unhide, or I could just go ahead and select the whole worksheet by clicking on the top corner and then right click and then unhide, and that will unhide every column that's been hidden on the worksheet. Okay, so it's the same thing for rows. So if you just select one row, right click and then hide, that will just hide that one row. If you want to unhide it, you can just select the row above it and then drag the mouse down to the row below it and then right click and then unhide. And it's the same thing for multiple rows that it was for multiple columns. So I've just dragged my mouse along there, right click and hide. And once again, I can unhide like this, or I could hold down the control key, select a few rows, let go of control, right click and hide. And again, I could drag the mouse over and then unhide, or I could just select the entire worksheet, right click on one of the rows and then unhide. Okay, so that's how you can hide and unhide rows and columns in Excel.